Good morning, children. Today we are going to learn Civics Lesson 2, Achieving Equality. What do you mean by diversity? Very good. We come from different backgrounds, belong to different culture, worship in different ways, yet we live together. This is known as diversity. People from various social groups who are different in many ways, since we believe in unity in diversity. We see that diversity is not accepted. They form opinions about other groups, and this often leads to tension in a society. Such opinions are often prejudice. What do you mean by prejudice? Prejudice means to judge other people in a negative without knowing much about them. It happens when people have false belief and ideas. So prejudice means judge other people in a negative without knowing much about them. That is called as a prejudice. The word prejudice refers to prejudgment. Prejudice can be based on many things like people's religious belief, the regions they come from, the color of their skin, the clothes they wear. No types of prejudice. Gender prejudice, racial prejudice, class prejudice, disability prejudice. Causes for prejudice. Some common social factors that contributes to the rise of prejudice. First, socialization. Conforming behaviors. It means it is a type of social influence involving a change in belief or behavior in order to fit in with a group. Economic beliefs. Authoritarian personality. Authoritarian personality means it is a personality characterized by extreme obedience and unquestioning respect. Ethnocentrism. It means believing that the way they used to doing things, it is the only right way to do them, and that people or culture that do things differently are wrong. Group closure. Group closure means it refers to which group maintain their resources by the exclusion of others from their group based on varied criteria. Next is conflicts. Conflicts, a fight or an argument. These are the causes for prejudice. And next is a stereotype. When prejudice gets stronger, it develops into stereotype. Stereotype is a false view or idea about something. Example, girls are not stronger than boys. We understand that we fix people in our image. We create a stereotype. Gender-based stereotypes are often portrayed in films, advertisements, and TV serials. In all the advertisement related to detergent, show a woman as a main user of that product. So we understand that we fix people in our image, we create a stereotype. Inequality means difference in treatment. What is inequality? Inequality means difference in treatment, such as caste inequality, religious inequality, race inequality, or gender inequality give rise to discrimination. Discrimination means difference. Article 15(1) of the Constitution states that the state shall not to discriminate against any citizen on ground only of religion, race, caste, sex, place of birth, or any of them. Caste discrimination. What is caste discrimination? Caste system is the most dominant reason for inequality and discrimination in India. Dr. B.R. Ambedkar, he is the chief architect of our constitution. He belonged to a depressed family and suffered discrimination throughout his childhood. He fought for equality among the citizens of India. Next is a gender discrimination. Gender discrimination refers to health, education, economic, and political inequalities between men and women in India. For example, most of the girls are not allowed to select a career of their choice. In some families, girls are not allowed to wear modern dresses, while boys in such families often wear modern dresses. So this is a gender discrimination. Next is a religious discrimination. What is religious discrimination? Religious discrimination is unequal treatment of an individual or group based on their beliefs. Socio-economic inequality. In socio-economic field, the benefit of growth have not been spread evenly. The low-income districts are associated with low industrial development, low agricultural productivity, and low human development. Similarly, the district with low literacy rate are found to be with a lower sex ratio. How can we remove inequality and discrimination in Indian society? There are medical measures for abolishing inequality and discrimination in India. Number 1, wider access to equality basic service like healthcare and education for all. Next, be aware of current gender bias. Next is make women more visible in public life and institution to eradicate gender disparity. Be open to learning about other religions. Socialized with people of all types outside home. Effective implements of law. This makes to remove inequality in Indian society. Constitution of India and equality. Article 14 of the Constitution of India provides equality before the law or equal protection within India and prohibits the unreasonable discrimination between persons. Our Constitution says India is a land of diversity. Therefore, equality has to be ensured for all. Two significant parameters to ensure equality in society are respecting diversity and ensuring freedom. In India, as per the Article 17 of Indian Constitution, untouchability is totally abolished. Even today, different types of discrimination are reported across the country. People from lower social classes are still striving